Nike and Fragment are back, this time on the Nike Dunk High. This sneaker retails for $150, releases in a few days on June 5th. I got exclusive access on the Nike Sneakers app, which was so amazing to have some exclusive access. It's been a while since I've had exclusive access, and what a sneaker to have access to. Be sure to hit that thumbs up, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because on June 5th, when the Fragment Dunks release, I will be giving away as well the Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0 brand new size 9.5 to one of you guys watching this video for completely free. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, give me a follow on Instagram, and then DM me proof that you did everything. I've owned my fair share of Fragment sneakers, the first being the best, the most hyped one, the Air Jordan 1 Fragment. I hit for those for retail when they dropped years ago. I sold them when they were not what they are today, guys. The sneaker has skyrocketed in price. I also owned the Jordan 3 Fragment. I have decided to let them go because of the yellowing on the back tab. It's just going to destroy the sneaker for me. But I'm excited to take a look at the Fragment Dunk High. So let's open these up. Retail is $150. They will release this Saturday, June 5th, on the Nike Sneakers app. Good luck to you guys on this release. Let's open these up. I have not seen this sneaker before. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. It does help the YouTube algorithm. Thank you guys so much for doing that. Let's take a look. We do have all white Nike paper. And here they are. The Fragment Nike Dunk High. This sneaker is very dope. Very nice. The official colorway is wine. They're calling it wine for the purple, which is very nice. And they do have, as you guys can see, that beautiful Fragment logo that everyone knows, loves. It's a very simple design. I really like the logo. Very nice. And as you guys can see, on the midsole, you do have some Fragment text as well. We will be getting, which is crazy to me, the most hypebeast sneaker ever, to be honest. The Fragment Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 High and Low, supposed to be coming out this year, later in the fall as of now. The hype is going to be through the roof on those two sneakers, more than any Travis Scott sneaker, maybe even more than any Fragment sneaker besides the OG Fragment Air Jordan 1. Crazy, crazy shoes. I'm hyped for those to release. But right here, we have the Fragment Dunk High. Very, very nice details. The leather, to be honest, it's soft. It's trash, though. It's the same as it has been with every Nike Dunk that's released pretty much this year, last year. Nothing crazy. It's a little soft, but nothing too crazy. Your normal, typical Dunk leather. They didn't do anything special, which I wish they would have. They should have definitely upped the quality because it is a collab Dunk, but they did not. The only difference that's really there that makes the shoe is the logo, along with the text on the midsole. But in my opinion, if you take away the logos, it's still a dope, clean dunk, right? Black and purple. I think it's still a dope Nike dunk nonetheless. And we're all gonna buy it. We're gonna go after it, of course, because of the logo and the hype behind Fragment. But this is a really dope Nike Dunk High. I do wish, and I'm sure a lot of you out there wish, that this was a Dunk Low. I wish they would have given it to us in a Dunk Low, but we do have a Dunk High, which is cool. At least we have the sneaker, right? At least they're releasing them. And from what I'm hearing and seeing, there's going to be a decent amount of pairs. Not a crap ton. They're not going to make too much. They're not going to make it a huge general release, but it's looking like there's a hefty amount of pairs out there. And resell is not that bad, which is pretty crazy to think about when you think about a Fragment sneaker, especially with the Dunk hype right now, right? You would think resale would be crazy. It's really not that bad. They haven't released yet, and they're under $300 already. So not bad. Retail at $150. Guys, not bad. They'll go for a little bit over retail. Nothing too crazy. I think maybe they could go up in price. I do think it'll definitely take a little bit of time. Take a look at the Last pair of these that dropped, which I believe was 2010. I believe it was when I first got into sneakers. I'm pretty sure it's 2010. And they were not the exact color blocking of this. The last Dunk, Fragment Dunk, I believe had like a flip-flop kind of what the theme to it. I personally like the 2021 retro better. Like, I like this one a lot better than the 2010 pair. This is, in my opinion, a better color blocking, and it matches on both sneakers. They didn't do anything different. They kept it simple with the Fragment logo, the text on the midsole, and a black and purple color palette. That's very, very simple. Very dope. You can't go wrong with the Nike Dunk High. I like the Nike Dunk High, don't get me wrong, but I do prefer the low, which I'm sure a lot of you out there would agree with me on that. I do wish that we got a Nike SB Fragment. I think that would be absolutely fire. Give it to us, Nike. Give us maybe this type of colorway or a different colorway. Keep the Fragment logo, keep the text, and give it to us on a Nike SB. Awesome idea. But let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comments. Let me know if these are a cop or a drop for you. I think they're clean. You really can't go wrong with the colorway. And you have, of course, the hype behind it with that Fragment logo in white. And then your black text there on the midsole. The text does say Fragment Design. So you do have all the hype there. Let me know what you guys think about them. Let me know if they're a cop or a drop. Let me know if you're going to pay resell if you do take an L, of course, on the Nike Sneakers app. And let me know what you guys think about those Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1s, the highs and the lows. It's going to be crazy to see what happens with those two sneakers. I'm looking forward to it, but for now, we have the Fragment Dunk High. Let me know what you guys think. Be sure to hit that thumbs up because we are giving away, I'm giving away Shadow 2.0 Air Jordan 1s on June 5th. So be sure to hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, give me a follow on Instagram, and DM me proof that you did everything. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. This right here is the Fragment Nike Dunk High 2021. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.